The build is complete. Brand new. Fully custom built by yours truly. Huge shout out to Gamdias. Check out the links in the video description. You guys can get everything that you see in this video for a good price and build your own, hundreds of dollars cheaper than if you buy one. And if you've been following the build, it performs better than even some other computers that actually can play AAA games. We're rocking out the Gamdias tower, we're rocking out the Gamdias multi-light keyboard, we're rocking out the Gamdias LED light kit. We added our own custom flare to this. If you guys want to see more Gamdias stuff, leave a comment, go check out their links, tell them who sent you. This is a beautiful build, if I do say so myself. Up next, we're getting a RGB light bar. That's going to go across the bottom of the screen, so that's going to even add more to it. We built this computer as a gaming computer, and we built this computer that performs just as good but a little better than the $1,500 build. That's right. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars less. We did it. The vision wouldn't have been there if Gamdias didn't partner with me, that I could work with them. Huge shout out to them. Again, this was an awesome build. All I needed was the foundation, and I took my vision, and this is the outcome of it. We can play AAA games under ultra setting, easy 60 to 80 frames per second on an average frame, no problem whatsoever. Like I said, guys, if you're interested, all the links will be in the video description where you can get the products. I'll also include my links on the build so far. I would say this is the final build video, but we're actually not done yet. We're just getting started. I hope to partner with Gamdias again. I hope you guys over there at Gamdias are happy with how it turned out. I know I'm extremely happy. We still need to tuck up some wires before we can officially say we're completed. We still want to do something with these wires, tuck them up out of the way of the LEDs and so forth. We are thinking about getting excuse me, we're thinking about getting RAM cards that light up and so forth in the future. So we're kind of getting started with customizing this and hope to get other stuff. Hope to get a gaming chair. Right now we got a metal chair. So there's a lot of things that we could do to add to this package. Building this computer was a lot of fun, a little stressful. We got it running. We got a 1 TB SSD drive powering behind a Radeon RX 580 graphics card. We got a Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, ADATA 32 gigabytes of total RAM memory. We got a 500 watt PSU. Gamdias lighted keyboard, rocking a Blade Hawk LED gaming mouse mat. Over here we're rocking our own surge protector with our Ethernet Wi-Fi repeater with another Lemon Fun outlet box. So much more. We got a fan controller in the back here. That's this blue light. We can control our blower. We have a blower fan in here for when we're gaming heavy. We want it to keep everything cool. That's right there. It looks like a little turbo. We got that turned on, hooked up to the fan control so we can power that on, boost that when we need it. So much more, guys. I hope you enjoyed this whole process. I sure did. And please, check out the links in the video description of everything I used. It really would mean a lot to me, guys. And especially if you could hit that subscribe button. This has been Scott's Honest Reviews. We started out with just reviewing the Gamdias tower. Then we turned that into building a unique gaming computer.